Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another Tajweed tips and tricks tutorial. Today we're looking at page 30 of the Safar Abridged Qa'idah, which is all about the mixed exercise. Once we've done the Fathah, the Kasrah, the Dammah, and then we've moved on to the stretches. We've done the 6 different types of stretches, and now we're on to this mixed exercise, which brings kind of everything together that we've learnt so far, inshallah. So firstly, what I'll do is I'll do a few examples as we go down the page, and then I'll do the full page. Okay, so just breaking it down, let's have a look at the second box here. The second box, firstly you're looking at the words, letters, sorry. How many letters are there? There's 4 letters. You've got ba, qaf, ra, and ta. Oh, sorry, we've also done Fathahtayn, Kasratayn, and Dammahtayn as well. Sorry about that. Yeah, so we've done the I, u, un, in, un, and a, e, u. So far we've done all these sounds. Okay, and like I said, this is bringing them all together now. So box number 2, you got ba, qaf, ra, and ta. The ba has a fatha, so it's b. Qaf has a fatha, so it's qa. Baqa. Ra has a fatha, which is ra. Baqara. Ta has a fathatayn, double fatha, so it's tan. Baqaratan. Yeah. Let's have a look at number 11. The ta has so there's ta, qaf, ta again, and then a ha. So the ta has a dhamma, so it's tu. Qaf has a standing fatha, which is a stretch, qa, and so that's tu qa. Ta has a kasra, which is ti, tu qati. Ha has a standing kasra, which is he, tu qatihi. Goes a bit more, something with a few more letters in it. Number 18, lam, ya, dad, ya, ain. So the lam has a kasra, li, ya has a dhamma, you, li, you, dad joins the ya with the kasra, so it's li, li, you, li. Ain has a fatha, a, li, you, li, a. Yeah, and we'll do one from the bottom section. Let's do 35. So here you've got a lam, kaf, a ba, ya, ra, and ta. So that's recognizing the letters first, and then the lam has a fatha, so it's la. Kaf has a fatha, it's ka. Laka. Ba joins the ya with a kasra, bi. Laka bi. Ra has a fatha, ra. Laka bi ra. Ta has a fathatayn, double fatha, so it's tan. Laka bi ratan. Okay, just go through the full page now. Just check your pronunciation as you go, please. Box number 1. ما له بقرة كلمات جميعا حدود متاع تشابه يقيم لسانا أو أمن تقاته يؤاخذ. Box 13. يا داود راجعون يخاف صالحين صادقين ليضيع بآياته قرينا صراطا ساهون أكيد بشماله. And the last 3 lines. بكلماته برسالات صاحبته موقنين تلاوته لحافظين بولده خالدون يطيقونه بجانبه لكبيرة لكاذبون. That's pretty much it. Jazakallahu khairan for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.